To make this, you will need 2 large eggs, 1 stick melted butter or 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 cup milk, 1 package of Trader Joe's yellow cake and baking mix. When you're done mixing all of that together, make sure to preheat your oven to 300 Fahrenheit. Bake it for 27 to 29 minutes or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Allow that to cool for 10 minutes on a rack. After letting it cool, you can do whatever you want with it. You can eat it or you can decorate it. For this, I decided to decorate it with normal buttercream filling and strawberries and dark chocolate. But you can use whatever you want for this. Here I am spreading the vanilla cream frosting around the cake. After I spread the vanilla cream frosting around the border, I add the strawberries to the middle of the cake. After adding a little bit more frosting around the border to complete the cake, I add the top of the cake to the cake. Then it's time to frost the whole cake. Starting from the top, I start from the top to the bottom. Here, halfway done. Here I added strawberries, blueberries, dark chocolate, and wafers for decoration. Here is the finished product.